Okay, so we just came from that station right there called Beitou Station, and then we're actually going to go follow this park all the way down to Beitou Hot Springs. So we're just going to see what it's all about and what it's like around the station as well. So this is basically the little downtown. There's McDonald's, there's Moss Burger, and Yoshinoya as well, and KFC. So that's where it all starts at right there. So we're going to show you what it looks like. Checking out Taipei 2023. Okay, so that's the station. So we basically came around that side to the KFC over here, and then we're gonna head to that park. So what we're gonna do first is walk across this way and then go across like that. So we'll see actually I guess we could actually go this way. We got like a Starbucks here, McDonald's, Starbucks, Carrefour, stuff like that. And I think all the people here are maybe going to the hot springs, but I'm not 100% sure. So we're gonna find out. Oh, these people are going across on this red light, so I don't know, that's confusing. So I'm gonna go across as well. So this is the kind of the little downtown, KFC, Yoshinoya, Moss Burger. I think this is kind of the bulk of it right here. And we're gonna walk into this park and kind of see what it's all about. And I think we just have to walk down here, so you also kind of get a view of the park as well. And let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it's there's like a little spring resort, hot spring resort, and it looks like there's more commercial stuff down this way as well. And I don't know what all to expect, but we'll just walk through it anyways. So to get here, it's surprisingly easy. It's basically about 20 minutes from Taipei main station. So wherever you're at in Taipei, you just get to the Taipei main station, and then you can take the train. It's about 20 minutes, and you transfer to another line that's like a 3-minute train ride that comes up to this station that we're at, that I just came out of right now. So we're just gonna walk down along this parkway. Got some older people playing some games. I don't know if they're playing gambling games or not, but we'll just walk by anyways. So and there's a little bit of a park in there. Another side of Taiwan kind of makes me want to see more. There's like as I was coming into Beitou, there's the outdoor hot springs right there. We're gonna go towards that way. Yeah, and as I was going in, there's like more mountains kind of stuff. Taipei itself has been quite flat. I didn't expect that. Let's see another. Actually, I'm kind of surprised though, because this I would see onsen towns in Japan, and usually they put a lot of money into them and they're really beautiful. And here, this town feels a little bit neglected. So I don't know. I'm not sure why that is. 5 minutes to the hot door springs, so we'll just walk. I will take the camera and we'll just see what we can see. But so basically this video would be from the Beitou train station from Taipei to the onsen itself, and just kind of walking along and seeing what we see around here. And I do see some nice, beautiful park basically, and I think some of these have different functions, so I'm not sure if I can bring my camera. Looks like there's some people just kind of hanging out in that one, and then this one, let's see, looks like there's like a public library, different stuff. Hot spring museum. I think we'll just keep going towards the hot spring museum. And we'll just kind of see. And then it looks like there's some hiking trails up there. I don't know what these guys are running for. There's a bunch of people running. So we're gonna see more of them soon. Beautiful buildings. And that's like, actually the trail is up that way. Got some more runners. I wonder if these are like the hashtag runners. Oh, there we go. Got a YouTuber there. YouTuber runner. It's kind of cool. There's like a expat group called like hashtag. Let me see. I'm gonna try not to go too fast. They're like hashtag runners or something like that. So I think that's what that group of people was doing, maybe. It's like they're called like runners with a drinking problem or drinkers with a running problem, something like that. So we're almost there already. I guess that was the museum that we just walked by. So I guess station here, and now we're almost there already. We got more runners. Must be that hashtag. It's like called hashtag runners or something like that. A lot of them are foreigners. That's why I kind of think that, or at least half and half. Well, it could be anything though, really. Okay, let me see this big sign here. Let me see. So let's see here. I think it's gonna be one of these ways, probably. Let me see here. Could be in this area. Not really clear. Oh, here we go. Well, it could be in here. It's kind of confusing. There's like a space right there that could be the public one. Coming to see an open air hot spring. Well, we'll go a little bit further then. Maybe this is it right here. So I think this might be it. So I'll do a public hot spring, so that's probably it. And it looks like, yeah, it looks like this is it then. So you'd have to wear a mask when entering. Please do not take photos. Okay, so we'll come across, and then we'll just end it. So we actually found it. We'll come across here. And that must be it right there. So it says no photos, and that's the place. So we basically came down in that direction, right where the station is at, and we walked all the way up here, and it's right there. So it's fairly easy to get to. And you got some more hiking trails up here. I'll just walk up briefly. Looks like people can do a lot of hiking up here too. Kind of up in the mountains a little bit. Smells great. We'll end it right there. Okay, so the hot springs is actually closed today, but just for people that are curious, these are some of the things about it. Acidity, wear a swimsuit, no alcohol, no, there's a bunch of rules right there. And today it is closed, but this is what it would look like if it was open. So I guess we won't be able to go in and check it out at all. Yeah, so actually it's closed today. Vending machine, and there's some other stuff too. But actually the main goal was to come up here, but it's closed for the next 2 days, I just found out. And this is the outdoor public one. So the other ones are obviously not public, so I guess that's it. And I think this would have been the pool that we cannot get into, and this would be another street that we can walk down near it. So this is kind of the backside of it, and since there's closed, I don't feel bad about carrying a camera, but at least we can kind of see what we are missing. It looks like we're missing like that right there, so that would be what we're not seeing, not being able to experience today. So basically it looks like there's like locker rooms in there, and I'll probably have to look later and see the camera, but it's definitely not open today. So yeah, that would have been kind of cool. It's kind of small. It's a lot smaller than I thought. Thought it'd be bigger than that. But anyways, that's a hot springs that's closed for 2 days because of the Chinese New Year. So the timing of me coming is pretty bad because I could have been here yesterday. So yeah, the doors are closed. And we do have the hot spring right there. Okay, so this is the outside of it. And I believe all of this would have been the space. So it's actually a lot smaller than I thought. I thought it'd be a lot bigger, like an outdoor public onsen public bathing spot. It's actually not so big. It's just like here to here. When I actually went, I could see briefly into it, and it didn't look that big. And I think out of curiosity, I'm just gonna bring the camera back. But yeah, it looks really cool though. And this looks like something you'd see in Japan, like that. The Atami Hotel. Oh, there's more? Oh. Oh, okay. Thank you. So I think I have to go up. Okay. So I think you told me to go up this way. So maybe this is actually not what I thought it was. And this might be where we're trying to go. That'd be interesting. Yeah, really interesting. Like this, it did kind of sound like something like the assembly hall, and maybe that's the one we're trying to get to up there. I mean, that'd be quite ironic if I was at the wrong one. I was about ready to leave and go home, so we'll see. We'll walk all the way up here, take a look, and that would be quite ironic if that was the wrong one and I was ready to go home for. But other people were coming up there too. Everybody was looking at it, and there's a sign in Chinese. I asked the lady, it was off camera, and she said that it's closed for the next 2 days, which is weird because, like, I don't know, looks like there's another spot that maybe those two are connected. Maybe he was telling me that I should take a look at that one. These look like they could be together, but maybe that's the assembly hall, and maybe the other one. It's so funny. This looks like it could be a public one because there's a lot of people up here. And shouldn't a public one be open to the public even on holidays? So interesting. I guess we're gonna find out shortly. And I think this might be the public one. So it might still be going up. I don't know, we'll see. Kind of confused now. I think that was the public one, and that's closed. If there's something else up here, I think this is going to be the end of the park. So anyways, that was probably it. It's kind of cool. This must be hotels. I don't see anybody in this area. Anyways, I'm going to assume that that was the spot and that it was closed. So I think that was the spot right there. So I guess we'll just close it right there. So I did find this other area. So this was actually closed today as well. But this looks like a lot bigger than the other area. And I think this is the public one. But unfortunately it's closed for the next 2 days. Oh well. So that was, so we tried, but it's actually the holidays, and sadly I'm leaving Taipei on Monday, so that was, but it's only open from 9 until 5, and it's closed on the holidays, so it's not even going to be open anyways. But anyways, so basically that was our attempt and effort to check out the hot springs. Yeah, that's too bad. But we do have some other stuff here. Basically, we're kind of more up in the mountains now, and we'll come down on this side, I guess. This makes me want to come back to Taiwan and see more, though. I have 4 days total, and I guess it just wasn't quite enough. But anyways, there's kind of some tourist stuff. It's still open, even though it's a holiday. The stores are open, but the hot springs itself is not open. It's too bad. And anyways, I think this is some information about it. And yeah, that's too bad. So, okay. So basically this is kind of where we came. So we're basically going to go all the way back down to the station again. Let's go across the street real quick. That's kind of cool though. There's some hotels up here as well. Okay, and we're just gonna end it right there. So this is Beitou up to the thermal springs. We're back at Beitou, and actually the other day this place was really quiet, and it was a holiday, it was New Year's Eve. And today it's totally different. And we're going to be going into something called the Thermal Valley right here. Beitou Thermal Valley. Here's another sign for it too. Okay, so let's go check it all out. Okay, so here we are. We're going to go check out new Beitou Thermal Valley Park and see what it's all about. I think we might be able to, I don't know, we'll see. I don't know what to expect. Let's come out over here. Yeah, yesterday I was here and it was so quiet. Today it's so different. That's actually all this stuff that I remember that was open yesterday, this little thing right there. But that was about it, and it was like, why is that open when... Ooh, this actually might be closed still. Dang it. There's a ton more tourists here though, wow. There's hotels up there too. Looks like we can't go in. Sorry, we're closed today. So it's closed. Okay. But you can definitely see there's a lot more people. It's still closed today, but yesterday was actually New Year's. So maybe I'll attach this to the other one. Yeah, yesterday I was here, and I think I knew that was going to be closed for the next 2 days, but I was going to come up here because I found out you could go to some of these other resorts, and I think I'm going to do that. And I was kind of hoping I could I was going to open the free one would be open, but it wasn't. Anyways, it's getting a little bit dark and it's not so good for filming, so. But yeah, today everything is busy. I was gonna end it on this map, so we're in Beitou, Hot Spring Zone Guide. Alright. Okay, that was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go!